What you're looking at is the physical anchor of memory, the literal skeleton of your thoughts, scientifically known as a 6-CVN assembly, a tau bound to a microtubule. This isn't AI. This is a molecular dynamics simulation, a physics calculation. Every jitter, every vibration, every subtle twist is the result of thousands of atoms interacting in real time. This is what it looks like to be alive. Specifically, we are deep inside the axon of a neuron in the human brain. Millions of these microtubules run long and parallel to each other, forming the tracks that transport materials from the center of the cell out to the synapses. Now let's break down the architecture here. The green squishy structures stacked like bricks are called tubulin proteins. The purple strand clamping down on the green bricks are called tau, T-A-U. It acts like a molecular staple. And if you look closely at the pockets, those small clusters of red, blue, and orange spheres are called GDP and GTP. You can think of them as the internal locking pins. They maintain the tension between the bricks. Their state determines whether this tube stands as a rigid structural beam or if it catastrophically peels apart. So why does this matter? Well, this tiny mechanical connection is the difference between a healthy mind and a dissolving mind. When a linebacker takes a massive hit, the shockwave travels all the way down to this scale. If the physical force snaps the purple tau off of the green track, the transport system collapses. That is the beginning of CTE. In Alzheimer's, the failure is chemical. The tau detaches and clumps up, leaving the microtubule unsupported. When this structure breaks, the neuron dies, and the memory it held disappears. So what is the goal here? Well, I'm an independent researcher with a background in biophysics. This means I don't have a massive lab, and I definitely don't have a corporate board tell me what I can't research. This run you're watching is just the baseline. In the next few videos, we're going to take this structure and run different simulated concussion tests. We're even going to test theoretical drugs and nanotech devices. But running physics this accurate burns through massive computing power. If you want to help fund the cloud computing to run these experiments and vote on which medical mystery we tackle next, please check out the Patreon link below. Science shouldn't be locked behind closed doors. Let's see what we can discover together. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your support.